Affiliate marketing is an exciting and accessible way for beginners to dive into the world of online business. At its core, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This means you can earn money without having to create your own products, making it an attractive option for those just starting out. The potential benefits of affiliate marketing are vast. Not only can it provide a flexible work schedule, but it also allows you to work from anywhere, whether that's your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Imagine earning money while you sleep. This is the beauty of passive income, which is one of the key attractions of affiliate marketing. Once you've set up your affiliate links and created engaging content, you can continue to earn commissions long after your initial efforts. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. So let's get started on this exciting path to financial freedom. Step 1. Understand the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services from various companies called merchants. When a consumer makes a purchase through the affiliate's unique referral link, the affiliate earns a commission. This process creates a win-win situation. Merchants gain exposure and sales, while affiliates earn money for their marketing efforts. In this ecosystem, there are three key players: the affiliate, the merchant, and the consumer. The affiliate is responsible for driving traffic and generating sales through their marketing strategies, which can include blogs, social media, or email campaigns. The merchant provides the products or services and sets the commission structure. Finally, the consumer benefits from discovering products they may not have found otherwise, often through trusted recommendations. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. A niche that aligns with your interests and expertise not only makes content creation more enjoyable, but also helps you connect with your audience authentically. By understanding these basics, you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business that resonates with both you and your audience. Step 2. Choose a niche that interests you. Selecting the right niche is a pivotal step in your affiliate marketing journey. Start by identifying your passions and interests. Think about the topics that excite you, whether it's fitness, technology, travel, or cooking. Choosing a niche that you genuinely enjoy will make content creation more engaging and sustainable in the long run. Once you have a few ideas, it's essential to research market demand and competition within your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research platforms to gauge how popular your niche is and identify potential gaps in the market. This will help you understand if there's an audience eager for content in that area. Profitability is another critical factor to consider. Look into potential affiliate programs available within your niche. Some niches may have higher commission rates or more lucrative products than others. Evaluate the affiliate networks and programs that align with your interests, ensuring they offer quality products that resonate with your audience. By carefully selecting a niche that combines your passions with market demand and profitability, you'll set a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing success. Step 3. Select affiliate programs to join. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to select affiliate programs that align with your interests and audience. There are several popular affiliate networks to consider, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Each of these platforms offers a wide range of products and services, making it easier for you to find options that resonate with your niche. As you explore these networks, it's crucial to evaluate the commission structures and payment terms of each program. Some programs offer a flat commission rate, while others provide a percentage of the sale. Understanding how and when you'll get paid is essential for planning your income strategy. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions and favorable payment terms to maximize your earnings. Additionally, ensure that the products you choose to promote align with your niche and audience. Promoting relevant products not only enhances your credibility, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. Take the time to read reviews and understand the products you'll be recommending. By carefully selecting affiliate programs that fit your niche, you'll be well equipped to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and drives sales. Step 4. Create a platform for promotion. Creating a platform for promotion is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. Start by deciding on the type of platform that best suits your style and audience. Options include a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Each platform has its unique advantages, so choose one that aligns with your strengths and where your target audience is most active. Once you've selected your platform, it's time to set it up with engaging content that attracts your audience. Focus on creating high-quality, informative, and entertaining content that addresses the needs and interests of your viewers or readers. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or helpful tips related to your niche. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. To increase visibility, optimizing your platform for SEO is essential. Use relevant keywords in your content, titles, and descriptions to help search engines understand what your platform is about. Additionally, consider incorporating backlinks and optimizing images to enhance your site's performance. By creating a well-structured and optimized platform, you'll not only attract more visitors, but also increase your chances of converting them into loyal customers. Step 5. Develop content that drives traffic. Creating valuable and informative content is key to driving traffic to your affiliate marketing platform. Focus on producing content that resonates with your audience's interests and needs. This could include how-to guides, in-depth product reviews, or insightful articles that address common questions within your niche. The more helpful and engaging your content is, the more likely it is to attract and retain visitors. Incorporating affiliate links naturally within your content is essential for effective promotion. Rather than forcing links into your writing, seamlessly integrate them where they make sense. For example, if you're discussing a specific product, include your affiliate link in a way that feels organic and relevant. This approach not only enhances user experience, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. Utilizing various content formats can also help you reach a broader audience. Consider creating articles for your blog, engaging videos for your YouTube channel, and eye-catching social media posts to promote your content. Each format has its strengths and can attract different segments of your audience. By diversifying your content strategy and focusing on quality, you'll drive more traffic to your platform and boost your affiliate marketing success. Step 6. Analyze and optimize your performance. Analyzing and optimizing your performance is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Start by utilizing analytics tools to track important metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings. Platforms like Google Analytics or affiliate network dashboards provide valuable insights into how your content is performing. By understanding which strategies are driving traffic and sales, you can make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. Once you have gathered performance data, it's essential to adjust your strategies accordingly. If certain types of content or promotional methods are yielding better results, consider amplifying those efforts. Conversely, if something isn't working, don't hesitate to pivot and try new approaches. Continuous optimization is key to improving your overall results and maximizing your earnings. Additionally, staying updated on industry trends is vital. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new tools, techniques, and consumer behaviors emerging regularly. By keeping an eye on these trends, you can adapt your approach to stay relevant and competitive. Whether it's exploring new affiliate programs or experimenting with innovative content formats, being proactive in your optimization efforts will help you achieve sustained success in your affiliate marketing journey. Conclusion, summary of key points. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to start affiliate marketing for beginners. We began by understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, defining its key players, affiliates, merchants, and consumers. Next, we emphasized the importance of choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and interests, followed by selecting the right affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and relevant products. We then discussed the significance of creating a platform for promotion, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. Developing engaging content that drives traffic was our next focus, highlighting the need to incorporate affiliate links naturally. Finally, we covered the importance of analyzing and optimizing your performance using analytics tools to track your success and adapt your strategies. Now that you have a clear roadmap, it's time to take action and embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, the key to success lies in persistence and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Stay tuned for more valuable content to help you thrive in the world of affiliate marketing.